I hope I'm thinking. I hope my thought process is wrong here, but I have a feeling, a very dreadful feeling. The Rhino 2 is locked behind those dumb races. I'm not sure if I want to go through that. Well then. This is... I'm not sure how to feel about that. Would you quit trying to gore me? There's gotta be something else. There's gotta be some other way. Please, game, have mercy on me. I have endured the vast majority of all the trials and tribulations. Dog thing. Ow, rude. Ow. Nice shot, buddy. Still dead. Well, maybe it is the races. Oh, that is so dreadful. Thank the goddesses, Helga, you are a savior. Oh God, thank you. That is a sexy rhino, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. How did I forget about Helga? $1.8 million bolts. I think I can afford the Zodiac still. Yep. And still have plenty left over for emergency ammunition restock. And the final fight coming up. I'm pretty sure it's the final fight. I think Yeedil is the end game. Yeah, I do believe this is in game. We might be getting into Up Your Arsenal in today's show, actually. Oh, oh, that makes me happy. I've said it several times, I will say it again. Up Your Arsenal and Deadlocked are my two top favorite Ratchet games from the PlayStation 2 era. Like the voices in Dr. Nefarious' head once said, "Oh, Janice, it's been so long." Okay, do we have any more new weapons, or is that gonna be it? I think I have them. Okay, stock that. I think I'm good.
This receiver bot can hypnotize other robots. To hypnotize another robot, aim, then press circle.
Yes, I know how to use it.
This receiver bot can hypnotize other robots. To hypnotize another robot, aim, then press circle.
Oh boy. Y'all can let me do my thing here. Let me live. Oh Lord. Oh shoot. Okay. Ouch. I was one switch away. Hey. Come on. Make it. Yes. Thank you. Select, switch that to swing shot. Oh, joy. It's Protopet hell. Oh Lord. Nope. You're gonna make me deal with that tank thing. Oh, Jesus, too. Anybody else want a piece of me? It's a little bit of a close call. Almost got me the upgrade for the rocket there. This will, though. One of you will. And... oh. In from Pandora's Box. Luna, hey, how's it going? Welcome to going Commando Endgame. Also, I've got the Rhino and the Zodiac. Well, excuse me, chat. Rhino 2. We gotta be correct about the preferences of the Rhino. This is the Rhino 2 in this game. Shame on me. Oh boy. Okay, what do I do here? What do I do? Oh. Oh lord. Dang it. Okay, so I have to somehow salvage those two. To keep them from being hit. There's more than... it's like at least 3 or 4 other chances. Come on. Got you. Okay, now what? Somewhere back in here. There we go. Okay. Make a corp headquarters. contact. This tube is about to level up. Come on. Not too much more. Quit playing with me here. Pokemon Shining Pearl. Oh. Yeah. So is that dropping today? Are they dropping today, Luna? Wish. How much longer do we have? How much longer of a wait do we have? Four more days. Ugh. Ah, dang. If this is what I'm thinking of, I was not fond of this. Okay, hello? I'm directly facing the dynamo? Oh. Yeah, I was not crazy about this section. And that is a good reason why. Oh, Jesus. It's not the, oh, jeez. Come on. Come on, aim! Aim! Fine. Go. Why are you not aiming? Jesus, me, so close yet so far away. Why are you not aiming like you should be? Fine. Want to play this game? We can play this game. Would have been nice before you knocked me down. Like I was gonna say, it's not the dynamo parts. It's the bots that'll screw you over easily if you're not careful. Face full of bouncer balls. Get nasty with me? Let's get crazy. Don't you know I'm loco? Oh lord. Are they just gonna endlessly spawn here? I'm out. For Cocoa Puffs. Oh god. make it, make it, make it, make it. No. You need to die. Thank you. Like how that tank just speeds over like, hey, remember me? I'm still relevant. At least I'm trying to be. Jesus. Oh, leave me alone for 5 seconds. And I see you up there. Oh my. I'm just gonna go for it and hopefully. God dang it. Infiltrate. If I can have a moment here of peace, Jesus. Yes, second try. Ow. Jesus, that was a super fast next level for nanotech. Not that I'm complaining. Now what? What do I do here? What do I do? Do I need the thermometer? Perhaps so. No, I didn't want that. Did nothing. Now what? Yeah, they're still trying to... That's some kind of important threat. Gotta hope ship's fast. Oh, okay. Well, that was easier than I was originally making it out to be. feel like a cheater starting the game if you did? Why? All right, swing shot. Go. Oh, jeez. Yeah, this seems like a job for Mega Rocket Cannon. Had it on the right weapon, that would be lovely. You down. Hi, Felicia. And the Mega Corporate stuff. Good. Said they stuck together. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Okay. Oh, right. I forgot about the grind rail section. Joy of joy. Of course, there had to be at least one more dumb electrolyzer puzzle. Damn it. Too much going on. Help. Damn it. Urgh. Damn it. Damn it. I'm getting closer though. I'm closer to finishing this dumb electrolyzer. God. Man. So many things to keep track of here. Damn it. Yeah, give me about 2 more hours, Geen. 2 more hours. And to the very end, it still it tries to force you into that mindset of trigger happy flipping. That is so annoying. See? I knew that one was going that way, and I knew it had to stay where it was, but I mean, trigger finger, man. Trigger finger syndrome. Almost did it again. And then I didn't do it when I needed to. Damn it. Trigger finger can be lethal, yes. I really hope this is the final electrolyzer puzzle of the game. I have had enough. I've had enough. I would rather play Ice Cream Beat. If you played Kingdom Hearts, you know what the hell I'm talking about. Excuse me. I clearly felt my finger firmly push the flip the switch button before the collision. It's so hard to watch my mouth here. It's so hard to watch my language at the moment. I'm trying, Ocarina. I am trying right now. If I don't cuss, I might start screaming in a very blood-curdling style. Yeah, it may be just a simple series of incoherent screams. Eat me, electrolyzer puzzle. Now what? Okay, I get you. Give two hoots less about that dumb platinum bolt up there. I'm bouncing balls all over everybody's faces. You get balls. You over there get balls. Everybody gets bouncing balls in their face. chaos right now. In the best way possible. Get that bridge down. I am done.
This is it, the Protopet duplication room.
Is it? This
Sorry I'm late. I had some trouble with the
might be the
guards.
final
No
fight.
problem. You're just in time. Okay, let's see if this thing works.
Let's go, chat.
She is trying to tell us something.
Wait a minute.
Bye now. Enjoy the Hygienator. Remember, you bought it from Steve.
Hi again, Steve.
Steve McQuark. Indeed. Now that I've sold my 1 millionth Hygienator, I can finance the comeback of the
Balls
greatest
to the wall.
superhero who ever lived, Captain Quark. All I need now is a new galaxy with a new fan base so I can rescue them from a new disaster.
But
Sir, I do not understand.
Mr. Fizzwidget?
Okay, I forgot about this.
Alright, just what the is going on?
Allow me to explain. I'm about to save the galaxy from the Protopets, and you are about to become public enemy #1.
Quark, you
And
just,
2,
don't
3.
You
Guard,
don't
seize
learn.
them.
You don't learn, man.
Smile. It's showtime.
Smile, you're on candid camera.
Citizens of Bogon, I am Captain Quark. I come to you in this, your darkest of hours, to shine the flashlight of justice on your galaxy.
Oh my god, this guy
Flashlight
is
of
full of
justice.
himself.
You know, a living menace called the Protopet has been
I forgot
settled in your
Fizzwidget was
galaxy.
actually
But
Corky
fear
Boy in
not,
disguise.
Bogonites. I, Captain Quark, have caught the perpetrators. Yes, good citizens, these are the masterminds behind Megacorp's experiment with death. And now, with this, super electro gadget I invented, I will end the Protopet threat once and for all.
That's my Elixamorph. I invented.
Ahem. Stay tuned, dear viewers, as I amplify the signal from this helixo thingy and render every Protopet in the galaxy completely harmless.
Can we send them to the
Allow me
void?
demonstrate.
As you were saying, Corky Boy.
does that Helixamorph actually work?
It used to. I could probably fix it.
Come on, Clank. Let's get it back.
It's a face not even a mom could love. Oh, whoops. Well, that just happened. Make sure I'm fully stocked up here. And of course, how could I forget? I do have the Zodiac and the Rhino too. Where are you? Oh yeah, you're so freaking terrifying. This can't be it, man. This can't be it.
You did it! Ah, it's okay.
Oh,
This is the real
okay.
Mr. Fizzwidget. Quark had him tied up in a supply closet all this time.
Gentlemen, you have my most profound gratitude.
It was nothing, sir. I'm just sorry we couldn't get the Helixomorph back.
Oh, hi, Quark.
Right. What do you suppose is wrong with it?
I don't know. It could take months of research and...
The battery is in backwards.
Oops.
Imbecilic to the very last.
Uh-oh.
Down, boy.
I just have to amplify the device with Megacorp's TV transponders, and that should cure the other Protopets.
Clank? Uh-oh.
Oh.
It's okay. I can fix her. I promise.
Alright, another Ratchet adventure down, ladies and gentlemen. If you are new to the show, we always let the credits roll as a show of respect to everybody involved in the game. I mean, aside from the electrolyzer puzzles, it was good to play this again. Obviously, we are... Hold on. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Obviously, PS2 Lumaxophon, we gotta jump into Up Your Arsenal here shortly, but the music composed and performed by David Bourgeot, and if I'm mispronouncing
what
his
do you
name, I
like to do for
apologize.
fun?
I wouldn't want anybody else doing the Ratchet game soundtracks. Mwah! Oh, it just gets better in Up Your
Whatever happened to
Arsenal.
Quark?
I heard he was working at Megacorp.
Oh no.
So, you fellas new here? You boys should sign up for the new Probomatic.
I
That
don't
little
even
baby
wanna
cleans
know.
you something fierce. I just got done testing the full body waxinator. I am personally sporting a smooth chassis, and there are no tags on my luggage.
Quark, please.
Then.
Yes,
Catch you
go.
later.
Subject 23A, please report immediately for crotchetizer testing.
Well, duty calls.
Jesus Christ, Quark. Jesus. Wish Quark never redeemed himself sometimes. Oh, yes, the good old crotchetizer gag from the first game. Never gets old. And just a heads up, ladies and gentlemen, if you're just joining us for the PlayStation 2 Lumaxophon, we're about to head into my two favorite fucking games. Oh god, I love Up Your Arsenal, and especially Deadlocked. Yeah, we can probably squeeze in about one more hour-ish, ladies and gentlemen, before I have to, well, piss off and get ready for work, unfortunately. Wait, Jim Ward, okay. Apparently did both the voice for Captain Douchebag and Fizzwidget. Also, I do have a question. Was it just Quark disguised as Fizzwidget that was butchering the English language, or does the actual truthful Fizzwidget also talk the same way? Supposed to Chrono Trigger off the end of time. Well, bye Chrono. And I would like to say, this is probably not going to be the first time I say this in Lombax Savon, but Insomniac Games, amazing company. They brought us freaking Ratchet and Clank series. Also, I was not aware that they did Jack and Daxter series. I mean, they've been promoting Jack and Daxter throughout at least this title. No sheep were harmed in the making of this game, for the most part. The one that had it coming.
All right, fellas. Nice and
Oh
tight
my
now.
god. Oh my god.
You tested this, right? Oh, wait. That's why I'm here.
Have
Oh,
fun,
one more
Quark. Oh god, that is... Oh god, sympathy pain. Oh. Oh. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, I think I'm good.